Welcome to our channel. If you want to add your TSA PreCheck number to an airline ticket for expedited security screening, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Locate your known traveler number, which is your TSA PreCheck identification number. You can find this on your approval letter or by logging into your Trusted Traveler Programs account at ttp.dhs.gov. Step 2. If booking a new flight, enter your known traveler number in the designated field during the reservation process, usually found in the passenger information section alongside your name and date of birth. Step 3. For existing reservations, visit your airline's website and log into your account using your confirmation number or frequent flyer credentials. Step 4. Navigate to Manage Reservations, or My Trips section, and locate the flight booking to which you want to add your TSA PreCheck number. Step 5. Click on Edit or Add Details near the passenger information section of your reservation to access editable fields. Step 6. Find the field labeled Known Traveler Number, TSA PreCheck, or similar. Enter your complete TSA PreCheck number exactly as it appears on your approval documentation. Step 7. Save the changes to your reservation. The airline system will verify your number and update your reservation to include TSA PreCheck eligibility. Step 8. When checking in online or at the airport, verify that TSA Pre appears on your boarding pass, indicating you're eligible for expedited security screening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.